Actually, ito, ngitian na ulit ito mga ito. Na sa maraming pagkakataon, mga naging teammates naman ito, one way or the other.
That's true. But you know, once this ball is up, well, back to business tong mga players natin. I think both teams are just happy to get back on the court.
Pina-plus minus lang yung ating mga technical kung meron makakapabor dito. At I think dun sa bilang natin, mas lamang ng isang technical foul ang Pure Foods. Dahil tatlo yung sa token text, dalawa kay Leder, isa kay Pick. Tapos tigi-isa si Salvador, Yap, Villanueva at San. So 4 yun sa Pure Foods. So may free throw dapat na isa ang mga taga-token text. Tapos, sabagay, wala naman sa penalty. Ball possession dapat ng Pure Foods. Pero may isang technical free throw ang token text.
You lost me after the second technical foul. I think that's what they're sorting out now, no? Kanina ba bola, may free throws ba, kung ano man. Dahil ang dami nun no? Ang daming technical foul lang binigay.
Sa aking bilang it's 4-3. Madaling mat yun. So, may isa. Ito, inuulit na itong, pinakita na itong ating mat. So, tatlong technical foul yan sa token text. Dalawa kay Leder, isa kay Vic. Sa Pure Foods, 4.
So are we going to have a series of technical free throws here? Ano ba to?
Mukhang magkakagano.
Well, ito. James Yap is on the line because of the technical foul on Terrence Leder. And bear in mind, ang dami pang oras na titira dito sa ball game.
Kakasimula pa lang
ang dami
actually.
pang oras dito. Ayun na nga. So magpapalitan ng technical free throws.
So, ang kupunan ng Pure Foods would have 3 technical free throws. 4 naman ang phone fouls.
Para tayong dito, penalty shootout sa football.
Parang ganun yan mangyayari.
Yaman din lang nagpa-David Beckham ito si James kanina.
At saka yung pagtakbo niya, medyo nakangiti parang nakaisa.
Oo. May tawag dun sheepish grin.
Nakaisa
Yeah. So ganun nga mangyayari dito. Palitan ng technical free throws.
Pangalawa ito.
Ito yung sa technical foul ni Ali Pic.
Oo. Kahit naman sa technical kay Leder, isang free throw pa naman. Ito, palitan niya. Merong free throw shootout. Yan pala ako nakakita nito
Para 21.
Pero na-amitis kanina ni Jimmy Alapag yung kanyang pangalawa So ito naman yung technical
Rob
free throw
Sands.
on the technical foul called on Rob Sands. Naipasok ni Jimmy Alapag. May isa pa.
And this has to be the most exciting free throw shooting contest I've seen in a while.
May isa pa dapat dito dahil dalawa yung technical foul on Terrence Leder.
Well, at any rate, tuloy na action dito. Finally, both teams are playing on the court. Here's James Yap on the move with a one-hander. James Yap, one more try and it goes in.
Pasok para kay James Yap. Gaya na binabanggit natin kahit malamya ang mga score ni James Yap, pagdating na ng fourth quarter, lagi mo nga asahan yan. 14 points for James Yap.
Abang pa rin ang talk and text, 81-67. 9 to shoot for the phone pass. Alapag has the ball. Here's Aliado. He fires and scores.
Well, si Don Aliado, nagsimula din actually ng outside shooting ng first quarter sa kupunan ng talk and text.
This will be 2 shots for Peter Jun Simon. And Pure Foods, they're aching to run. They really want that open court space
na hindi nila nagawa all game long. In fact, yung basket kanina nitong si PJ Simon was only one opportunity for him to actually run in the fast break. Ito nga pagkakataon na ito, pinigil pa rin siya, but he will make his free throws. 7 point para dito kay PJ Simon at sa Kirby Raimundo. makes his re-entry in favor of Jordan Salvador.
So 2 out of 2 for Peter June Simon. Under 9 minutes to play in a pulsating fourth and final quarter.
But you'll remember, doon sa small target na binigay ni Coach Ryan as reported earlier by Magu, nakakalapit dito, itong Pure Foods down by only 14.
Here's Cardona. Nasasagot ng Talking Text lahat ng binabato ng Pure Foods. 8.5 remaining in the game. Here's Kirby Raimundo. Spins and misses. Tip in is good for Reda Ralimi.
Well, ito si Reda Ralimi, mananalasa ngayon. Wala na yung kanyang counterpart na si Terence Leather.
Talking Text still on top by 14 points. 85-71. 8 to shoot. Alapag on the move. Over to Ali Peak. Ali Peak misses against the defense of Ralimi. Ball in on Pure Foods. With under 8 minutes remaining in the game. Here's Simon. Tough break. Napatapak sa linya. Turnover.
Sayang na pagkakataon yun, no? Nararatsado na sana itong si PJ Simon doon.
7:53 remaining in this knockout game. Talking Text pa rin ang lamang. 85-71.